Hey there, so you know how sometimes messy backgrounds can ruin your photos? Well, I have got a game changer for you, the background changer function by IMG Creator. In the video description, you will find the link to this website. When you visit the site, all you need to do is upload your photo. And something amazing happens. This smart AI automatically erases the messy background, making your main subject look perfect. But here is the really cool part. You can also change the background of your picture using the background changer tool. It can create a trendy backgrounds on its own, or you can pick a specific type of background. For example, I am choosing a storm background, and you can see it's generating 4 different scenes. Just choose the one you like and you are all set. Isn't that amazing? Let's upload another picture, but this time I am using the picture of man. Look how perfectly it removed the background. Let's go to the background changer and choose trendy background. The subject is perfectly matching with the background. Let's do this with another product. This time let's give them little hard tasks. I'm uploading the picture with multiple objects. And there you have the perfectly removed background. Let's choose any beautiful background. And there you go. We turned this simple picture into a stunning professional picture. Now let's talk about the templates. First, let's upload another picture. Go to the templates and choose any template you like, and it will automatically apply your image into the templates. You can even edit it according to your need. Adjusting the image, and there you have the perfect poster design for your brand. Now let's talk about another cool feature of this website. I have this portrait and I want to expand its background. First, I'm going to resize it and make it 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then simply go to Infinite Image, select whole canvas, input your text and hit generate. You will get 2 variations of the image. Choose one of them or you can regenerate. As you can see, it expands the background like magic. But this is nothing. Let me show you another magical feature. Just select generative fill and brush the area you want to generate something on. Write the prompt and hit generate. Again you will get 2 variations of the image. Choose the one you like and accept. And there you have the expand background with some trees. It also has magic remove feature. You can remove anything from the picture just by painting to it. And add text, where you can get too many different type and style of text. And finally, background tool. You can apply different type of background to your image. In summary, Image Creator Background Changer is a fantastic tool for improving your photos. This AI tool is highly recommended for the e-commerce, online business and photographer. You can use templates for quick poster design and expand background magically. Say goodbye to manual editing and hello to image creator easy and powerful solution. Create realistic studio quality photos in just seconds. Click the link in the video description to try it out and elevate your visuals today.